We're here this morning on Ramon Road at the site of an exciting project called CV Sync. And what CV Sync is a project so that eventually most of the arterials in the Coachella Valley, including those in Cathedral City, will be synchronized. Along with that, we're excited to announce that a broadband backbone is also being laid that eventually will lead to better internet in Cathedral City for both businesses and residents. So we're here with Justin, and he's going to explain a little bit about what the project details are.
Today we're focused on the local intersection and pulling cable here. Ultimately, we're going to connect the entire corridor, 111, Ramon Road, Washington, all through the valley. We're going to connect all the signals so they can talk to each other, and we can get that progression that we're looking. So when you get a green light at one, you want to get multiple green lights traveling through the corridor and go much smoother and faster with less delay in the corridor, less greenhouse gas. So that's the big benefit of this project. And it really is hooking the internet up, or hooking the traffic signals up to the internet, so we can control them in a more holistic manner. We can get that data from the field. We can make more informed decisions on how our signals operate, and we can tell them and have them coordinate with each other so that you get that green light more consistently. That's what we're doing here.
Wow, well that sounds great, to be able to go from one side of the valley to the other, or even just across town, and hopefully hit only green lights. We've been joined by Tom Kirk, the executive director at CVAG, who's come out to the project to talk a little bit about the partnership between CVAG and the city.
Cathedral City is key to this project, and as mayor, your residents know, you've got a lot of traffic coming through your city, bisecting your city, making it a challenge just for local traffic day to day. This kind of project helps make that safer, more efficient, helps people get from point A, wherever they might be, to point B a lot easier, right?
Absolutely.
And it's going to make our region work a lot better, and it's going to improve our air quality. So thank you for your leadership on this. We look forward to Cathedral City continuing to be a critical link in a regional system.
Well, our thanks to you and CVAG and all the regional partners for making this possible.